Welcome to Model Lessons in Mathematics, Elementary Science and Technology, Social Studies, Creative Arts, Physical Education for lower primary grades, produced by Rwanda Education Board in collaboration with the World Bank.
Hello children, how are you today? Wow, hope you are all good. Are you all okay? That's great. Now today, we have come to learn, and we are going to learn again mathematics. But before we see what we are going to learn about, let's first go and look at our values for today. So put your eyes here on the blackboard, and we look at our values. Our values are here. It is very clear to everyone. Our value number 1 is working together. So today, hope we are going to work together. Yes, and I know we are going to work together. Number 2 is respecting time. I know whenever the bell rings, whenever we are warned, or we are given an activity, we shall do it in time. Good. Working hard. When there is an activity to be done, we shall always work hard. For sure, we are going to work so hard because we are ever the best. Not so? Yes. We have finishing the work. When we are given the work, of course you must finish in time, okay? Yes. Then we have respecting each other. When we are sharing ideas, we have to respect what each and every person will give. That's good. Now, as I told you, today we are going to learn mathematics here in primary 2. But do you know what? The other day we were in Unit 2. Today we are going to look at Unit 3 and Lesson 2. But before we look at Unit 3, we are going to do some mental work. So I want you to get ready, get your pencil, get your book, and you know what? You will see the question and write the answer. Is it okay? Are you ready? Wow, that's good. Now, here is our mental work. Number 1, we have 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. That's mental work number 1. 9 plus 8. Mental work number 2. Mental work number 2 is 80 plus 10. 80 plus 10. That's mental work number 2. Are you done? Good. So we have mental work number 3. Mental work number 3 is here. We have 200 plus 10. 200 plus 10. Hope you are writing the answer. Don't copy the question, write the answer only, okay? That is good. Have you finished? Well, that is so beautiful. Let's look at the next one is 300 plus 50. 300 plus 50. Are we there? That is so good. I'm giving you only 1 minute to finish up, and we go through, we do corrections. Quickly, as we are finishing the mental work, then we shall be seeing what we are learning, what we are supposed to learn today. Yes, that is so good. So, someone has finished. Wow, we have all finished. That's so good. Yes, good. Now, let's look at the correction. Now, for 9 plus 8, the answer is 17. you are going to mark yourself. 9 plus 8, the answer is 17. Good. Finished. Wow, that is so good. Number next is 80 plus 10. The answer is 90. The answer is 90. Good. The next one is 200. 200 plus 10. The answer is 210. 210. Okay? Then the last one here is 300 plus 50. We shall have 350. Can we give ourselves flowers? You are so good. Now, in today's unit, that is whole numbers up to from 0 to 1,000. We are looking at lesson number 2, that is finding the place values of the given digits. When I say a digit is just a number. Let's look at these numbers here. So we are seeing writing the place value of digits. Now, here are our numbers. The first number here is 648. Now, I'm going to underline 8. Can you get for me the place value of 8? Automatically, we shall begin by putting the place values on top of each digit. We shall say ones, tens, hundreds. After you go and see the number which is underlined, which number is underlined? It is 8. What is the place value of 8? It is ones. So we shall come here and we say our place value here will be ones. That is our answer. It is too simple. Here, the number which is underlined is 4. How are we going to find the place value of 4? We shall show the place values first. We shall say ones, tens, hundreds. Which number has been underlined? That is 4. Since 4 is underlined, we are going to see on top of 4 the place value which is there. Ones, tens, hundreds. So we shall have here, our answer here will be hundreds. Our answer will be hundreds. Can you say hundreds? That's so good. Now, let's look at the next number. The next number is also simple. They are saying filling in the missing numbers. And I would call this one number 3. In missing numbers, they have given us 984 equals dash tens, dash ones, these are ones, dash tens. Now, we have here 2 tens. That is, let's do some correction here. On tens, there is tens here, there is tens there. So, let's do some correction here. And we say, we put here hundreds. Let's put here hundreds. When we put there hundreds, now, what are we going to do here? We shall get our place values, show or put it on top of each digit. We shall say ones, tens, hundreds. After showing the place values, this will now guide us. It will help us to fill in. Dash tens. You go where there are tens. We have ones, tens. Which number do you see below tens? That is 8. So we shall have here 8 tens. Okay? Good. Dash ones. Come here and look for ones. Ones. See the number which is below. That is 4. So we shall get 4, and we put here, and it becomes 4 ones. Come here. The next one is dash hundreds. Quickly come and read. Ones, tens, hundreds. What are we going to put there? See the number which is down. This is 9. So we shall put here 90 hundreds. Is it okay, everybody? That's good. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, we shall say 576 equals dash hundreds, that is H, dash tens, and dash ones. We are going to fill in. Can we fill in together? Good. So we shall first name the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. After naming the place values here, we are going to look for the numbers which are missing. The first one is dash hundreds. Go on the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. We have seen it. Can you look down? It is here. What is the number? Correct. That is 5. So we shall put here 5. Let's go to the next one. That is dash tens. Under tens, tens is here. We shall have 7. So here we have 7. Let's go under ones. These are ones. Come here. We have ones here. Can you look down? It is here. What is the number? The number here is 6. Can we give ourselves flowers? That's so good. You are so good. You have been paying attention, and you have been following. I'm so happy and very happy, and for sure I'm very happy. You are so good. You are good children. When I say good children, you say good teacher. Good children. Good teacher. Good children. Good teacher. That's good. Sit properly now. Now, do you know what we are going to do? We are going to discuss. We are going to discuss. Now, in our discussion, we are going to discuss. I want to see everybody seated properly in pairs. We are going to discuss these numbers. Quickly, number 1. You see here? Group discussion in pairs. Number 1 here is write the place value of the underlined digits. Underlined digits. A, we have 460, and the number underlined is 6. B is 734. What is underlined here is 7. So, number 2, fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Are we together? That's good. Part A of filling the missing numbers. We have 374 dash ones dash tens dash hundreds dash hundreds. B, 256. Put a dash, dash, hundreds, dash ones dash tens. Okay? So we have our numbers there for discussion. I'm giving you only 3 minutes for discussion. We are discussing these numbers in pairs. Quickly, don't write the question. Put for me the answers only. We are going to go through and we see where we got some problems. If there is any problem anywhere, we are going to correct it. I'm seeing people are very serious. That is so good. That is wonderful. That is very serious. Wow. 2 minutes left. We have finished 1 minute. So we are left with the 2 minutes only. Okay? That is good. 1 minute left. I see people almost finishing. I see people finishing. They're almost finishing. 1 minute left. Good. Remember we said you must respect the time. So I want to see who is not going to finish. But I see everybody is almost finishing. Good. So now, let's go through these numbers. And we see where we failed. In the pairs, we have been doing it. Exchange your work. Exchange. Now, so you are going to mark the work for your friend, okay? Number 1, the question says, write the place value of the underlined digits. The numbers are here. A digit is a number. What do we do first? Quickly, what do we do first? We write the place value. So we shall say ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Now, what is the place value of 6? The number underlined is 6. The number is here. On top, the place value is tens. We shall come here and we say the answer for number 1 is tens. As simple as that. Let's go to part B. Part B says 734. The number underlined is 7. We shall say ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Now, which number is underlined? It is 7. What is the place value up? The place value here is hundreds. The place value here is hundreds. Okay? Hope you have this. Okay? That is so beautiful. I love that. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. What is the answer? We don't know, but now we can get it. How? First, show the place values. We shall say ones, tens, 100. Now, we are going to fill in now. They are saying dash ones. Quickly come here, ones, tens, hundreds. What is the number below? The number below is 4. So we shall put here 4. Dash tens. Tens. What is the number below? It is 7. We shall put here 7. Dash hundreds. The number below hundreds is 3. So we shall have here 3. Come here also. Ones, tens, hundreds. Quickly, we shall say dash hundreds. This H is for hundreds. So we shall put here, hundreds is here, we shall put here 2. Dash ones, under ones we have 6. And under tens we have 5. We have 5. Did you all do like this? That is so good. I love that. You are so good. Stand up, everybody. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Touch on your waist. Touch on your waist. Touch on the head. Touch here again. Now, we are going to say a rhyme. Okay? And when we were saying a rhyme, make sure you don't push your friend. Make sure you don't fight. Okay? So, all of us, we are going to become like an old man. Okay? Or an old person. Is it clear? So when I say far, far, far away, very, very far away, there is an old man with a bent back. A bent back, you touch the back. Can we go? Far, far, far away, very, very far away, there is an old man with a bent back and a bent stick, with a bent back and a bent stick. Again, far, far, far away, very, very far away, there is an old man with a bent back and a bent stick, with a bent back again, and a bent stick, with a bent back and a bent stick, with a bent back and a bent stick. Can you stand up, everybody? That is so good. Who has enjoyed this lesson? Good. Even me, I have enjoyed it. That's good. Fan yourself now. Just get fresh air now. Get fresh air. Fresh air now. Fresh air now. Open your wings. I want you to fly. Fly, 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 fly. That is so good. Now sit down and we do this exercise. Open your book and we do this exercise. Number one, we have an exercise here. An exercise. Number one, write the place value of the underlined digit. Part A, 148. Part B, 294. Then number two, fill in the missing numbers. Missing numbers, we have 250 equals dash, ones, dash, tens, dash, hundreds. That is part A. Part B, we have 95 equals dash, tens, dash, ones. Okay? That is so good. Can we do the exercise in our books? Can we do this exercise very fast? 1 minute. Good. I see someone very busy. Someone is very serious. Wow. That is so good. I see good children in this class. You are so good. Are you finishing? Yes, that's good. We have to finish quickly in order to beat time. Because working hard, respecting each other, and keeping time is our value. Wow, I see someone has finished. Good. Now, when we finish, we are going to see the homework now. We are going there and we do the homework. Can you get your book for homework? I see people have finished our exercise. Let's look at our homework now. Our homework for today are just simple numbers. They are not hard. They are very simple. Okay? So the homework here is going to be very simple. And number one in the homework is fill in the missing numbers. A, we have 346 equals dash hundreds dash tens dash ones. Part B, we have 549 equals dash tens dash ones dash hundreds. Hope everyone is printing. That's good. Number two, write the place value of the underlined digits. Number one, we have 896 equals dash. B, we have 709. The number which is underlined is there. So that is our homework. That is our homework. Let's copy the homework. Let's print. Number one says, fill in the missing numbers. What shall we do? Don't forget the place values, because the place values will help us to get the numbers we are supposed to fill in. Number two says, write the place value of the underlined digit. The digits which are underlined are 8 and 9. So these are the digits. So we are going to first name the place values. Okay? That is so good. Hope everyone is finishing. Are you finishing? That's good. Thank you very much, children. Bye-bye. We shall continue from there next time. God bless you.